नमस्ते, दिस इज़ वैशाली चंद्रा फॉर अल्फा वर्ल्ड एंड आज की हमारी फिल्म है रेड 2, डायरेक्टेड बाय द टैलेंटेड राजकुमार गुप्ता, जिन्होंने रेड 1 भी डायरेक्ट किया है एंड ऑल्सो ही इज़ वन ऑफ द राइटर्स ऑफ द फिल्म, स्टारिंग द एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड अजय देवगन, रितेश देशमुख, सुप्रिया पाठक एंड वानी कपूर. When we talk about sequels, it is usually, sequels come with a baggage of tenfold expectations. जब पहली मूवी रिलीज हुई थी तब शायद लोगों को इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं थी, even though they expected Raid would be a decent, a good film, but it literally impressed the audiences. So with Raid 2, the expectations were tenfold, and I would say the makers have successfully achieved it. Strong script, बेहतरीन screenplay, the music, the performances, each and every element which is required for a good film is being successfully implemented in Raid 2. Every time जब ये दो characters, which is अमय पटनायक and दादा भाई, which is Ajay Devgan and Ritesh Deshmukh, every time they shared the screen, they maintain their aura, at the same time the individuality and the strong hold of their characters. Saurabh Shukla, even though his screen space was less, but जितनी बार भी उनकी सीन्स आए हैं ना, ही इज़ लिटरली ऑन द स्क्रीन. सेकेंड हाफ में लिटरली देयर वर पीपल हु वर लाफिंग, clapping. Another impactful performance is Mithial, who is also playing a part of income tax officer. I cannot divulge much into his character as of now, but this man has literally brought the moments of laughter, and the audience has literally clapped. Another good part about the film is the music. So they have not overpowered or overplayed the music. ना ही उन्होंने ज़बरदस्ती म्यूज़िक घुसाया है. Given that T series is known for giving hit music, they have maintained the music to be well infused with the screenplay. जब हम ऐसी मूवी की बात करते हैं जिसका बेस या जिसकी थीम हमें पता है कि भाई पहली मूवी में उसकी थीम is the sequel is similar to the theme of the first film, it becomes difficult for the makers to have an exceptional script, exceptional story, and Raid 2 has successfully achieved it. So I would say Raid 2 is absolute value for money, a good pick for the weekend, and the makers have stood up to the expectations of the audience for having a decently well-made film. So yes, book your tickets and do let us know आपको कैसी लगी ये movie.